Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're checking out a completely unique tool over on the Google Play Store. It's called PhotoM. Now, whether you're just an everyday smartphone user trying to save some time, or a hardcore power user who really values privacy, this app was built to solve a very specific headache. We're going to break down exactly what PhotoM is, how it works, and how its totally unique approach to combining two completely different daily tasks could seriously change the way you use your Android device.
Okay, let's dive into this. We've all been there, right? You snap a gorgeous photo, you go to email it to a colleague or a friend, and suddenly you're lost in a maze. You're constantly toggling back and forth between your photo album app and your email client, trying to remember exactly where that picture was saved. Or you're wrestling with a clunky email interface just to open your gallery. It's honestly a super common frustration, but the app we're looking at today was basically designed from the ground up to completely eliminate that stress.
So, here is our roadmap for today. First, what is PhotoM? Second, gallery and email integration. Third, advanced email specs. Fourth, some notes on using Gmail. And finally, robust security features. All right, section 1. What is PhotoM? A hybrid tool by LifeLabo Corp. See, PhotoM isn't just a regular gallery app, and it definitely isn't just an email app. It's a true hybrid. It seamlessly brings together a built-in photo viewer with a fully functional high-performance email client. The developers over at LifeLabo Corp actually designed this with two massive goals in mind: ultimate everyday convenience and seriously heightened security to protect your private communications. It's a really fascinating concept, pulling two spaces that are usually totally separate into one unified environment.
Moving right along to Section 2, Gallery and Email Integration, the core convenience.
And this brilliantly illustrates just how flexible the workflow really is here. You can actually approach your tasks from two completely different directions. On one hand, you can start right inside the built-in gallery, browse, select, or even edit your image files, and then seamlessly attach them to a brand new email with zero friction. Or say you're already in the middle of typing out an email draft, and you suddenly realize you need to attach a photo. You can just launch the photo viewer straight from that draft, grab your attachment, and keep right on writing. It literally wipes out the hassle of jumping between different apps. Section 3, Advanced Email Specs. Built like Thunderbird. Now, if you're worried that the email side of this app might just be some watered-down afterthought, absolutely don't be. The email functionality here is incredibly rich. In fact, its technical specifications are nearly identical to the wildly popular Thunderbird client for Android. It's compatible with a huge range of POP, IMAP, and SMTP servers, which basically means it handles most standard email accounts without breaking a sweat. And even better, if you're already a Thunderbird user, PhotoM actually supports importing your Thunderbird export files, making the switchover ridiculously easy. It is a serious productivity tool for sure. Let's look at Section 4, Notes on Using Gmail, the forwarding workaround. Now, to be completely upfront, PhotoM does not support direct access to Gmail accounts. This is just a pure technical limitation based on server compatibility and access protocols. But if you use Gmail as your main provider, don't panic. You absolutely do not have to give up on using PhotoM. The developers have laid out a really simple, official workaround for this exact situation. Here's the procedure they recommend, and it's super straightforward. Step 1, you just create a free alternative email address with a fully supported provider. Think Outlook.com, GMXmail, or Mail.com. Step 2, you jump into your standard Gmail settings and set it to automatically forward your incoming messages to that brand new address. Then, Step 3, you simply connect that new address to your PhotoM app. Boom! By doing this, you're leveraging standard protocols, and you'll still get all your important Gmail correspondence right inside PhotoM, totally hassle-free. All right. Bringing us to Section 5, Robust Security Features, Privacy, and Access Control. So, the crucial point is how this app handles your privacy. PhotoMe comes with dedicated passcode protection, but here's the kicker. It's not just a blanket lock for the whole app. It is required specifically to access the email features. That means if you hand your unlocked phone to a friend so they can swipe through your vacation pics in the gallery, you don't have to break into a cold sweat worrying they might accidentally open a private work email. Unless they punch in that specific code, the email side of the app is completely locked down. And it goes way beyond just a simple passcode. The app gives you incredibly granular control over exactly how the gallery and the email client interact. Right in the settings, you can completely disable gallery and mail collaboration or turn off the attachment and gallery feature entirely. These highly specific security configurations mean you have total control to customize the app's internal security to match your exact comfort level. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the launch mode, or startup mode. This is a brilliant little setting that actually forces the app to open in the gallery view first every single time you launch it. So when the app boots up, your emails are kept completely hidden from view. It's a really clever, subtle way to prevent any sensitive messages from accidentally flashing on your screen if you happen to open the app while you're out in public.
You can't really talk about security without talking about data privacy. And according to their official data safety declaration right on the Google Play Store, LifeLabo Corp takes this extremely seriously. Quote, "No data shared with third parties, no data collected." In today's digital landscape, a strict zero data collection policy is a massive relief for anyone who cares about their privacy. Your photos and your emails stay exactly where they belong, on your device and on your servers, not with a developer. By basically mashing up the visual convenience of a photo gallery with the absolute power of a Thunderbird-level email client, PhotoM offers a genuinely unique solution for smartphone productivity. It streamlines your daily workflow while backing it all up with deep privacy controls and a strict zero data collection policy. So the question is, with all that seamless sharing and airtight security, is PhotoM the communication upgrade your Android device has been waiting for? Well, there's really only one way to find out. It's absolutely worth checking out on the Google Play Store. Thanks so much for joining us for this explainer.